Remember the last part of the 7e? I give you some solution like this. Like negative 2, 1, 3. I ask you to write the polynomial. With given x-intercept. Remember this, the last part of your 70. I give you a solution and I ask you to write polynomial. Yeah, how do you write it? X plus 2, very good. What else? X minus 1, x plus 3.
Minus 3.
It's minus 3. Three solutions, right? I have three solutions, so 3 parentheses, and then I just take the opposite. Okay, and then you multiply them. Yes, the last step is you're gonna multiply them to get the standard form. So I'm gonna multiply this FOIL, right? I do FOIL. X times x is x times negative 1 is 2 times x is 2 times negative 1 is Yep. Yep, I thought. This is last time, okay? This is nothing new yet. This is last time. And don't multiply yet. Combine like terms. It's gonna help you making less mistake and dealing with a small number. Let me know when to slow down, okay? So combine like term. What is the like term right here? What are the like terms right here? X, very good, x. So I have x squared. What is negative x plus 2x? Negative x plus 2x. 1x. So plus x, right? Negative 1 plus 2. Negative 1 plus 2. Negative 1 plus 2. Yeah, all right. Minus 2, x minus 3. If you FOIL more, you're going to multiply this to this. The term I like to do from the back. Because the back, I just need to do with two terms. Same thing, but I kind of feel it's faster. Like from here, I do from the back from here. I multiply x to everything here, and then multiply 3 to everything here. It's just the same, it's gonna give you the same answer, but this one I feel that this is gonna faster. So I only multiply two terms. Yeah. What is x times x squared? Okay, x times x. X times negative 2. I have different answer. All right, negative 3 times x squared. Negative 3 times x. Negative 3 times negative 2. All right, now you combine that term. How many x cubed I see here? Only one. Your next x squared. How many x squared I see here? Right. I have x squared and minus 3x squared, which is negative 2x squared. Okay, and then combine that term, another negative 2x and negative 3x, which is very good. And last one is 6. That's it. That's from last time. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay. I just reviewing the 70, the last part, because it wasn't in the quiz. So I bet some of you may forget. Okay, number 2. What's special on number 2? Huh? I. Oh, someone remember this. What happened to I? I come in pair. So if you have only one I, you need to automatically fill in the other I. This is negative, so I need to fill in the positive, right? Remember, I come in pair, okay? Now, how can you write it? X plus 1, X What next? What next? Plus 3i and minus 3i. So here, did you remember how to handle these things? Where you see something like this? Right, right. But how can you multiply them? When you see something like this happen, like same set of number, different sign, yeah, it's a square minus b square. But last time, did I say last time the trick to make it faster? I mean to make it less confusing. Front to front, back to back. Remember that? If you see something like it happen, like same set of number, what you need to do is multiply front to front, back to back. Because the middle one is going to cancel out. You don't need to worry about the middle one. So what is x times x? X squared. What is 3i times negative 3i?
9. 9.
Negative 9 I squared. Yeah? What is I squared? Negative 1. So when you see the I squared, you kind of change the sign of this. Remember that last semester? When you see I squared, just change this one. He loved 9. Right. Is it my final answer? No, I need you to follow. Follow. X times x squared is x times x squared is x times 9 is 1 times x squared is
X squared.
1 times 9 is
9.
for sure there will be some mistake come from computation from multiplying. That's it. That's it. So far so good? Stay with me? Yeah, okay. Today's lesson is very similar to this. So unit 7 is, I think it is not heavy. All right, number 3. I have 4 and negative square root of 5. What do I need to do? Positive square root of 5. Very good. Remember the I and the square root, they come in pair. Okay. Do we need to write down? Maybe just write down. Okay, so I and square root of I. I think I wrote it before, but in case you didn't write it, so always come in pair. For the I and the square root, okay? They always come in pair. So here I'm missing the positive square root of 5, so we need to fill in. All right, now I'm gonna write it. How can I write this? X minus 4, x plus
Square root 5.
and
X minus square root 5.
very good, excellent. All right. Now, do you see this thing happen again? What are you gonna do? Front to front, back to back. Okay, front to front, back to back. Multiply front to front, back to back. What is x times x? Tell me if you have any question on this row down. X squared. What is square root of 5 times negative square root of 5? So square root of 5 times negative square root of 5. What is this? Negative 5. You know that one, right? What is square root of 7 times square root of 7?
7.
Yeah, it's two same number they go out. Remember that? Yeah, 7 and 7, two same numbers, so they go out. No more square root. Yeah? Square root of 10 times square root of 10? 10. Square root of Diego times square root of Diego? Diego. Yeah, you got it. All right. So this is minus 5. Now the last step is just distribute it. 4. X times x squared is? X times negative 5 is? Negative 4 times x squared is? Very good. Negative 4 times negative 5 is? 20, positive 20. And then I just rewrite it in standard form. Okay. I just rewrite it to make it standard form. Yeah. I think I'll give you this. You all get perfect score for this. Hope so. What your name? Just kidding. Yeah, any questions so far? Right, can I erase this? Yeah? Okay. So today, the same thing, but just in different way of asking. Erase this one too? Okay.
If it's negative, then we put it down.
No, I'm just saying this.
Yeah.
Just write this, don't write that. That's what we. Okay. Today is this. I give you this 4 points. I give you this 4 points. What you wanna do? Which one is okay? So this one I give you the solution, right? This one I don't specifically give you the solution, but when you look at this, do you know what the solution is?
Yeah.
Which one is solution? Which one? So just remind you, here you go. Solution is the x-intercept. There's a many name for solution. They also call zero. They also call roots because they have so much time in their hand. So they just came up with so many names. So solution is also the x-intercept. You know x-intercepts? That's the point on the x-axis, right? What happened to the point on the x-axis? It's solution, but what happened to that? Like this point here, right? This point is solution. This point is x-intercept. What happened to the y? For this point, what is the y? Zero. So when you look at this, which one y is zero is the solution. So this one is solution. This one also solution. This one also solution. Yeah, that's how you see it. So the one that have y equal to zero is the solution. I have this solution, this solution, this solution. Is this solution? No, because y is not zero. So this is not solution. Not solution. Yeah. So now you know solution. Just go back to here. Just do this, the same thing. How can you write it? How can you write it?
X is equal to 0.
X, x minus what?
3.
3. X minus 3. What next?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. What next?
X plus 2.
X plus 2. Very good. Okay, here, so what is this point for? Before, we don't have any leading coefficients. Okay, so listen to this. Listen to it. Very important. Before, we don't have any number on the front. There's no leading coefficient. But here, when they give you this number, that means there is a number on the front. You need to find it. So this is A. Let's call it A. You need to find what is A. The leading coefficient, the slope, whatever you call it. You want to use this point to find A. How?
Place it in the chart.
This 0, 12, what does it mean? X is what? Y is right. Plug in X and Y to find A. That's it. So plug in X and Y to find A. The goal is we want to find the A. Okay. Well, I put a step right here. I just put there only 2 steps. Only 2 steps. Let's finish this first, and then you're gonna have time to write a step. Okay, I want you to focus on what we're gonna do first. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in y equal to 12, okay? So y equal to 12. A is what I need to find, so keep it the same. X is 0, right? So 0 minus 3, 0 minus 1, 0 plus 2. Now you're gonna find A from here. So 12. Let me make it consistent with the color. So 0 minus 3 is just -3, -1, 2. 0 basically nothing. So it's just, what is it equal to? 6, positive 6, very good, positive 6. So 12, A, and 6. How can I find A? Divided by 6. Not divided by 12, okay? Yes. Huh? Oh, 12 is from the point. The extra point right here. Yeah, the extra point, this is not solution, right? Because y is not 0. So I use that point to find A. What is 12 divided by 6? 2. So A is 2. That is the 7F. Basically, that's it. Okay. Huh? Okay. All right. So y equal to A. Now you already found A is 2. So put the 2 in and copy everything. So x minus 3, x minus 1, x plus 2. Now what is the last step you need to do? FOIL. Just find FOIL. Don't go back to find the 0 because we already knew what the 0 is. What we want to find a polynomial, okay? So I hope no one gonna give me the 0 after this, okay? Because we already knew the 0 is given, the solution is given. What I want to write is I want to find a polynomial. So now you need to distribute it, FOIL. Remember you have the A on the front, so keep the 2. X times x is x squared. X times -1 is -x. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times -1 is +3. Okay. I'm good with this. Yeah? Let me know when we slow down or do you have any questions?
You combine them.
Yeah, yes, very good. I combine that term. Don't distribute right away. It's gonna give you a lot of terms. Combine first. -x minus 3x, so I have -4x plus 3. And now you distribute it. I like to distribute on the back again because it's only 2 terms. So I like to start from the backward like this. But you can do whatever you want as long as you multiply everything. X times x squared is x cubed. X times -4x is 4x squared. -4x squared, and then x times 3 is 3x. Next one I have 2. So 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times -4x is -ax. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. So now combine that term. X cubed. I have -4x squared plus 2x squared. What is it equal to? -4x squared plus 2x squared. -2x squared. Very good. 3x minus ax. -5x plus 6. All right. Multiply the 2. Now multiply the 2 to everything. Distribute the 2. So I have 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 10x plus 12. That's the polynomial we're looking for. That polynomial gives you the solution 3, 0, 1, 0, -2, 0, and it's past 0, 12. Yes. Huh? Oh, the 6 is -3 times -1 times -2. So multiply this and multiply all this. I got 6. You have calculator, so you make sure you don't make the computation wrong. Okay. Any questions? You stay with me for the whole process? Any step you have question, let me know, okay? Let me summarize. Let me summarize again. So I give you 4 points. You're gonna look for the point that have y equal to 0. Okay? So this, and this. So this point that have y equal to 0, they are the solution. So because I know their solution, I write like this: x minus 3, x minus 1, and x plus 2. The extra point that is not solution because the y is not 0, I'm gonna use that point to find a. So 0, 12, that's mean x is 0, y is 12. I plug it in here, y equal to 12, and then I replace x by 0. I calculate everything, I find a. So I found a equal to 2. Now a equal to 2, I replace a by 2. I have everything again. And now just last step is distribute everything and combine that terms, rewrite it to make it standard form. Yeah? Yes.
That equation is just used for, to find A.
Yeah, this is a question just find the a. When you found the a, you plug it in a right here on this one, plug it back here. That's why you get this. Yeah,
We should we use the other lessons, but basically like we're getting it from the graph to find the step.
right. That's kind of go backward. So the other one, I give you the polynomial, I ask you to wrap it. And this one is kind of like, I give you the point on the graph, you give me back the polynomial. Back and forth, back and forth. Whatever question,
So why do we do that?
huh?
Why do we do that?
Oh, I divide because I want to by a.
Okay.
Yeah, so I divide by 6 because I want to get rid of the 6 right here. Yeah. So divide, cancel this out. Any other question? Any question you have? Okay. All right. Can we move on? Oh yeah. So okay. This is a step by step. If you want to write down, use 3-point intercept, the one that y equals to 0, to write a function in standard form. To write a function in factor form, actually factor form. Okay. To write a function in parentheses. Okay, and then use the remaining point, use the extra point. The extra point, right? Yeah, so take your time to write out a step by step. So the step by step. The last one right here. Right, can you rate this? No. Yeah, the step by step if you want. If you want, no, just the step by step, the bottom one. Here. Yeah, you don't need this. Remember on the test, I'm gonna erase everything. So of course. Okay, I can leave that for the test. You're gonna have 30 minutes for the test. Want to? How many questions? I haven't wrapped it yet. That's why I haven't. I'm gonna spend the weekend to create the test. Huh? Oh, the one have y equal to 0. That's mean the x-intercept. So you're looking for the point that have y equal to 0. Yeah. Maybe not the one here. Just put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Yeah. Bless you. Use 3 given x-intercept to write function in parentheses. So in the class, you not only learn math, you also learn how to read recursive writing. Use the extra point to find a by plugging in x and sy to the function. Finish. All right. Finish, finish. Finish, finish. Finish, finish.
No.
It's like you're driving every day. Every day,
I never do it.
every day.
They can do it every
Finish,
day.
finish.
My mom does it. She really can.
Oh.
That's okay.
Everybody done.
Hey. I think we're all.
On the road?
What? Like,
Oh, watch this.
the people is recording.
What you gotta do? You take a picture of yourself?
Starting the ceremony.
It's all right. Don't make me in weight class. Look at on the back, look like Subhatan. Because the long coach. Right.
What did you say?
No, I mean, when you wear the long coat, when the coat over the head, look at the on the back, it looks like Subhatan. I wouldn't yet. Finish, finish. I wouldn't yet. I wouldn't yet. Yeah? Okay, all right.
Oh, shit.
Okay, number two. Let's get back to number two. Okay, look at number two. Okay, number two. Okay, no one care. All right, number two. I'm waiting. All right, number two.
Right.
Okay. All right, here we go, number two.
Okay.
Why are you saying that?
Oh
Okay.
my gosh.
Okay. For number two, which one is solution?
1, 3, 4.
Right, this the one that have y is equal to 0, right? This is not solution, not solution. All right, so these are solutions. So how can you write it? X,
The A though.
yeah, but one write the solution first. X plus 3x minus 1x minus 3. Okay. And you, of course, you have an A right here because you have an extra point. So the extra point is 0 and 18. What does it mean? That means x is 0 and y is 18. You're gonna plug in that here, okay? You're gonna plug in that to the y and x. So y is 18. A is what we need to find. So because x is 0, I don't need to write a 0, just 2. What do you mean 2? 0 plus 3 is 2? A is 2. Oh, A is 2. Oh, you go ahead. Good. Okay, so x is 0, so I just 0 is nothing, so I just write out the number again. Okay. So 3 times -1 times -3 is what?
Wait.
9. Now suddenly so quiet. So what will we do next? Divided by 9. Yeah, A2. You got A2 is correct. So A is 2. Now what do you want to do next?
in A to the.
Very good. So A is 2. Now I put 2. Copy this one, everything again. X plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 3. Okay. What do you distribute? What should you distribute? What should you do first? X plus 3, x minus 1.
First one, the third.
Yeah, faster, much faster. Did you see that happen? X plus 3 and x minus 3. You see that? Right here, I'm showing you. X plus 3, x plus 3 and x minus 3. Does it ring any bell in your head? Yeah, some that is right, everything. Everything. How about it? Okay, how about you rearrange them so you can see it more clearly? What are you gonna do with this? Front to front, back to back. Yeah, you can do that too. Front to front, back to back. Because they are some set of number. So what is x times x? What is 3 times negative 3? Negative 9. Very good. See, much faster, much faster. Now you distribute, you FOIL this. X squared times x is x squared times negative 1 is negative 9 times x is negative 9 times negative 1 is very good. And now you just distribute the 2 and you're done. That's it, the last lesson for this whole unit. So not bad, right? If okay, if you make something wrong about this, I think it's about calculation. You multiply, you mess up with combined term, something like that. You're okay, erase it. Keep long. So what? Oh, you want to do the homework? You want to get the homework right now? All right, can I erase this at least? Maybe? Yeah?
Oh.
Maybe just do the last assemble. Just do the last one. This is going to be the last one.
Yeah.
Wait this? Yeah? All right, number 3. Why did you read every time? Number 3.
Slow down. Yeah.
I didn't do anything. Just say number 3. Want me to slow down? Like no.
Yeah. Why would you shoot? Are you serious, Randy?
No, I'm just asking you.
Yeah, you're serious. My knee still hurt. So I still need to do this. Huh? Well, it starts from the front and now it's go to the back. I don't know. Maybe where I sleep something. Yeah, I need to see it often. Okay. Okay. You just write down 4 points. Wake me up when you're done.
Okay. Baby, put them in.
I swear.
Someone said this is a baby cologne. I said no.
Okay, let's start number 3.
Well, Mr. we already did it.
Huh?
We already did it.
You already did it? See, that's good. Okay. What a solution? Which one is solution? Tell me which one is solution. First one?
No.
No, good. Why? Very good, very good. So this is a solution. How can I write this? X,
X plus 5 on X minus 1.
very good. Good. Below. So this is the A. This is the one that is not solution. Okay, so this is mean x equal to -2, y equal to 9. So you plug it in, you have huh?
Yeah.
I can hear. Can hear. Keep it low. Okay, you say it. Oh, it doesn't matter when a number, when they have both numbers. Yeah, it doesn't matter as long as this one is not 0, then that is the extra point. So this is the extra point. This is no solution. This is not a solution. You're gonna use that quantify A. Okay. So I have x is -2, so -2 plus 5, -2 minus 1, -2 plus 4. Okay, and I'm gonna calculate this. -2 plus 5 is 3. -2 minus 1 is -3. You have calculator, so I assume you're gonna make it right. Okay. -2 plus 4 is 2. So 3 times -3 is -9. -9 times 2 is -18. So this is -18. And you have 9. What you gonna do? Divided by? Right, not 9, okay? Not divided by 9 because you want to get rid of this.
But what did I need?
Not decimal, keep the fraction. Always keep the fraction. What is this then? What is 9 divided by 18? 1/2. Yeah, -1/2. From now on, as I said before, from now on, don't use the decimal. Don't use decimal.
What if we use it?
Decimal is not accurate. Yeah. Don't put it point 0.5. Don't. Keep the fraction. Get the fraction. Because decimal is not accurate. Well, if 1/2 is 0.5 is correct, but sometimes if you have like 10/3, what is it equal to? You can never write it. What is it equal to? 3.33. This is not correct. Let's go to 3.333 and this go infinity. So it's never correct. You can never write it in decimal place correctly. So keep this one. This is correct.
What if you do BTS and X factor?
Huh? You can write like this, like 3.33 and with a bar. Well, but that's not gonna help you to write a function. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's gonna be 1/3, right? But it's not gonna help you to write a function. There's no function right at this. So from now on, you're on a higher level math right now. They're not dealing with decimal. Decimal is only when you learn in statistics. Yeah, if you go to statistics, then you're gonna use decimal.
So I see.
Yeah, chemistry as well. Yeah, but not in this map. Then they're not in this level of map. Okay, now Oh, yeah, thank you, good catch. Negative 1/2, yeah, see, that make a mistake too. Multiply this. Copy down negative 1/2, don't forget this, okay? So x times x is, x times negative 1 is, 5 times x is, 5 times negative 1 is, now combine that term, okay? Don't distribute right away, combine that term. I have negative x plus 5x. So plus 4x minus 5, x plus 4. Now distribute. I like to distribute from the back, like only 2 terms for me to dealing with. So x times x squared is x cubed, x times 4x is 4x squared, x times negative 5, negative 5x. Huh? X times x squared, you have x cubed. X times 4x, you have 4x squared. That's slow motion. X times negative 5, you have negative 5x. Yeah? Yes? Okay, now you have 4 times x squared, you have 4x squared, and then you have 4 times x squared, 4x squared. 4 times 4x is 4 times 4x is 4 times 4x is 16x. 4 times negative 5 is right. Now you combine that term. So I have x cubed. How many x squared I have? Okay, so I have x squared here, 8x squared, right? 8x squared. And then for the x, I have negative 5x and plus 16x, which is 11x. And the last one is minus 20. Okay. Are we good with this? Are you still with me? Yeah, okay. Now multiply. Okay, here's the thing. Maybe I can give you, I'll let you guys pretty much do it. You stop right here. I won't get a point off. But ideally, you need to distribute in negative 1/2. Okay. Yeah. But if you stop right here, I will not take point off. Okay. So it's gonna be 1/2 x cubed. 8 times 1/2. That's mean you divide it by 2. Right, very good. Negative 4x squared. What next?
11/2.
Right. What next?
10.
Positive 10 or negative 10?
10.
Positive
How
10.
did you get 11x/2?
Oh, because I multiply negative 1/2 to 11x. I multiply this one. Negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 multiplied by 11x. Right. So top to top, bottom to bottom. So in 11/2.
But you can divide 11 by 2, so I think you can. If it's 11 by 2, it's 5.5.
Multiply this. Yeah. Yes, Vinny.
Could you, like, because I got the same thing for the first term, so could you multiply it, and then it would be negative x moved over 2?
Yeah. That's, you can also do that. Actually, this is more better. Yes. Hmm. Huh? What do you mean? I keep this? Yeah?
Would it be wrong if it was like minus one?
No, it's still the same. Yeah, it's still the same. Can I erase this? Yeah? On the homework, okay, basically that's it. But on the homework, I want to emphasize you. On the homework, you're gonna see something. Let's do one. You will something like this. Instead of give you the point, I give you the graph. But I show you the point like this. Maybe I give you something like this. But I tell you what is the point right here. It's basically the same. No. This is the one I gave you. You need to draw it. On the homework, you will see something like this.
Oh, we just read the.
Yeah, you just need to figure out a point. But basically the same thing, literally the same thing. It's just like now you're on the picture, the other one not on the picture. So let me see. Which one is the solution?
First one is
Four,
like
two,
the third one is not-
Yeah, 4, 2, and -1, right? The one that's on the x-axis is the solution. So maybe just finish, can erase this? Okay, let's just finish this. And that will be it. That will conclude our lesson. That is the last that's the last assembly for unit 7. Did you raise your hand? Okay. Okay, tell me what you're gonna write. X1. +1, very good. X. Excellent. X. Very good. All right. And you still have the A. What is the extra point?
0.8.
You're right. 0, 8. That means X is 0, Y is 8, right? So you're gonna substitute this to 8. And then have A. And then it's a 0. Okay, 0, plug it in 0 here. You just have everything. Every number here. So -2 times -4 is 8. Right? Divided by 0.8. Where? -1, 0. -1, 0. All right, so A is 1. Oh, A is 1 is good. So that means nothing. Now last step is just distribute it. Okay, so X times X. X times -2. 1 times X is X. 1 times -2 is -2. It's very interesting, like your noise level is like a problem. It's sometimes very noise, and then sometimes very quiet, and then sometimes very noise, and then very quiet. You see that? It's also parabola, it's also a function. But suddenly all of you are just quiet. Like you tired, you take a break, and then before you talk more. The chart, yeah, recharge. Combine that term, -2x plus x. What is -2x plus x? Negative x, very good. -2. And then x -4. Again, you can start to distribute this. I like to start from the back. So I have, let me continue over here. So x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. And then -4 times x squared is -4x squared plus 4x plus 8. All right, combine that term. Is -5x squared plus 2x plus 8. Any question? Why are you talking? I just did by myself. So that's it. Yay, we finished the unit 7. Yay. Unit test next week. Yay. Huh? The test next week.